Privet. I'm wearing red because it's my birthday. As you know, Miriam already left. And when I woke up earlier, I saw this outside my door. It's from Miriam. I even thought that she gave me underwear for a gift. Join me, guys. We will see what's inside. But before that,
hi Marine, I know you're with your family now, staying there, enjoying. I hope we will meet someday again, other places, other time. So be safe and keep in touch. And always pretty, be gorgeous. I will miss you. And my watch gold. Thank you, bye.
Marine dear, this is take 2. I hope it's gonna reach you because we lost take 1 and I have no idea what I said. We missed you, we miss your presence in Darna. I hope you're well, I hope you are with your family. Enjoy, take care of yourself.
Привет, Марим, как дела? I miss you. İnşallah görüşemiz Bishkek'te. Bishkek'e boramiz, bizni kuting. Bye bye.
Hi baby Miriam, how are you? I know you miss someone. Don't worry, he's in a good hands now. My sweetest wish for you is good health, success, and love, love, love to a sweetest person like you. May all your dreams come true, and I can't wait to see you in your big day. And see you there. Bye.
Miss you already, Miriam. Stay in touch.
Hi Miriam! We wish you luck. I know that you're enjoying back home with your family. All the best. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
hi Miriam, take care everything.
Take care of yourself there, and I hope to see you again. Maybe it might be in Philippines or in your country there. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, I want to say goodbye to my wonderful friends that are leaving so soon, you know. So we're gonna miss you guys a lot, really, you know. So let's see, we're gonna meet somewhere sometimes in the nearest future. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much, man.
Privet! Hi, Miriam. We miss you here. Especially Aaron. He's sad and he's making some effort to show his love and gratitude. Miriam, I'm hoping to see you soon. Karashoot!
Hello, Marine. It's a pleasure to work with you. I hope we can meet again one day in the future. Maybe in the hell, in the paradise, whatever. So we'll meet again very soon. Hello, say something.
Hi, Miriam. Whenever you are, best of luck for you in the future, and we will meet you soon in this part of the world.
Good luck. Спасибо.
Hi Miriam, how are you? I think you had a safe flight. And how is the situation in Kyrgyzstan? So you were one of my best friends, and I wish you all the best from the bottom of my heart, and will contact you as much as I can. Thank you. Stay safe. Bye.
Hi Miriam, we miss you already. I hope you... Hi Miriam, we miss you already. I hope you reach home safe, and see you soon.
Miriam, how are you? I wish you okay now, and really I missed you. Your cup is still with me. I will keep it beside my heart. I will never forget you. Inshallah, I will meet you soon. Me and your husband.
Hi Miriam, I hope you enjoy your stay there and keep safe. Thank you for loving both of us, and take care of yourself.
enjoy life. Thank you so much.
Hi Miriam, how are you? I hope you're enjoying staying with your family and keep what's this?
Healthy.
Keep healthy, keep smiling always, and enjoy your life. Enjoy your life with Aaron, your family, and stay safe.
And I hope Aaron will join you there in Kyrgyzstan.
Yeah, and I hope this one is not the last we saw each other. Maybe
Yeah, I hope soon we will see each other.
yeah, it's not a small word. We see each other again.
I love you.
Good afternoon, Mirim. Hi, how are you? So finally, you left us here. But then I wish you all the best there. All right, and I will see you soon. Okay, like I said, don't forget to visit in Sambales. All right, I will see you. Take care. Bye-bye. Shout out ng Pabulong.
Hello everybody, this is Annie and this is a message to you, Miriam, my girl. I miss you already so much, so very much. Okay, Aaron got me on the spot, okay, to just say something, and you've been somebody that I knew not for long, but for that short space of time. You are caring, you are loving. I'm gonna miss obviously our drink, the one with the Tabasco. I'm gonna miss it very much, and I wish you good things in life. I truly hope that God is gonna fulfill your desires, and I know I'll come to your country. I'll come and I'll definitely see you. Say hi to everybody and a big kiss to you. Mwah.
My daughter, how are you? Miss you in Darna, missing your presence here in Darna. Hope everything is going well with you. My greeting to you, greeting to your family. Keep in touch please and keep safe. Thank you.
Now it's my turn. I will not make it very long. Thank you very much for the love. And even if you already went home, you still made a surprise for me. It was very touching. It was more than a gift. How can I finish them alone? No, I'm not alone. I'm just making drama. I'm missing you a lot. We will do our best, whatever is possible, to see each other and stay healthy, stay strong. Keep in mind that I always love you and I'm always happy with you. And see you soon. Paalam!